breaking development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to address two election rallies today in Bihar. This is going to happen at 11:30 a.m. Araria and Bhagalpur. On the other hand, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is set to address three election rallies in Champaran, in Madhubani, and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Chief Minister Mohan Yadav will also be addressing election rallies during their Bihar visit today. So there are a plethora of activities and engagements that the top leaders of the BJP, including the Prime Minister, are going to be. They have been scheduled to arrive in Bihar. Even as voting takes place in phase 1, they are already looking ahead at the phase 2 elections. So at the end, it all matters about how campaigning and canvassing is going to influence people to come out and vote for their parties that they favor. I'm also being joined right now by my reporters who are spread across different parts of Bihar in phase 1 of elections in the 18 districts where polling is taking place today. But before I go to my reporters, coming back to Alok Mehta. Alok Mehta, quickly a point about the Bihar 20 years ago versus Bihar 20 years later up until 2025. Is there a tangible change, a transformation that has been seen on the ground, and is anti-incumbency a factor?
Yeah, certainly, Megha, you are rightly said, and that's why the Joyita ji is also mentioning caste factor is there. But you know, this is the major factor, Jungle Raj, because I have seen before that the Congress rule was there, and then Lalu Yadav came in power in 1990. At that time, how people were suffering, even the doctors were so much afraid. The Aparan, the Daketi and everything, it was going on, and that's why people were very fed up with the Jungle Raj, and that's why the Nitish Kumar, you know, very few chief minister. You see in Bihar also, after Karpuri Thakur and Sri Krishna Singh in the first chief minister, I think he's the only chief minister, no charge against him, any corruption charge. You see clean image. Even for his own son, he is not ready to give permission to him to contest or even come in the politics. These kind of leader, that's why, and same thing for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That's why people believe that at least law and order situation should be better, especially for the women protection. And the prohibition, I think, yes, everybody talk about the illicit liquor and all, but women are voting for Nitish Kumar because they were very unhappy. They were creating so much problem because of the poverty also. And the people were drinking and then coming to power, they're spending money on the liquor. That's why the prohibition was also issue for them. And Jan Swaraj Party, the Prashant Kumar, he is talking with no, we will be free for the prohibition, will be again closed. So I think these kind of charges are there, but I think that's why people will vote for employment. And as the migration, you see, Megha, you see in Delhi or Mumbai, thousands and lakhs people are coming out.
Yeah.
But they are also sending money to their own village. That's why even people are happy, at least they are getting money. Either they are going to Dubai or going to Bombay. What Rahul Gandhi
because also, you know, a few days ago, there was an interesting comment that was made by Union Minister of Commerce, Piyush Goyal, when a similar question was asked, is migration an issue for the people of Bihar? He spoke about what is wrong if people from Bihar and other parts of the country travel to different countries, generate income and send remittances back home. He gave an example of what is wrong with the Bihari traveling to Japan, earning his livelihood and earning a livelihood for his family members. So that's the facet that BJP, the NDA has spoken about. That's the way BJP looks at it in terms of migration of people from Bihar, migration of youth from Bihar in search of better job opportunities. Stay on with me, Alok Mehta, and the rest of my panelists. I'm being joined currently by Nitin Nabin Sinha. He's the State Minister of Road Construction, and he's also fighting from Bankipur. He has won the Bankipur Assembly